Hey everyone, Jared here, and we are back with another Tractor Basics video. Now before we get started, I'd like to let everybody know that at the end of these videos, there are links to playlists, and I have an entire playlist dedicated to just the Tractor Basics videos. So if you're interested in watching just the Tractor Basics, at the end of the video, click on the link that takes you to that playlist. So now, today's video, we are going to discuss the differences between a snow pusher, also known as a snow box, and a snow plow, and why you may want one over the other and what will be best for your snow removal. I am not going to discuss any type of rear mounted snow removal equipment, such as a rear blade, and I'm not going to talk about snow blowers at all, whether it be rear or front mount. We are only going to explain and describe the differences between a snow plow and a snow pusher. That's it. So let's talk about a snow plow first. So this snow plow is one that you may have seen in one of my other videos. This is one that I built from a truck plow with my homemade frame mounted to a skid steer quick attach plate. But a snow plow, the biggest differences between this and a snow pusher is the fact that this angles, that does not. This has closed off ends, this does not. So a snow plow is going to work better and be more efficient when you're talking about clearing out something that's not very wide, such as a driveway that's longer. I plow driveways for 7 to 8 different neighbors, and some of them are actually quite long. I'm going to be more efficient in the long driveways by using the plow over the pusher. And that's because a snow pusher is designed to catch snow. It's designed to keep it contained. So if I am dealing with a long driveway and I'm using my snow pusher, this guy is going to fill up, and then I'm going to have to pull off, get rid of the snow, and then start over. The snow plow, I don't have to do that. The snow plow is going to angle, and I'm just going to drive just like you see the snow plows on the street, and I'm just going to shove the snow off to the side. That is where a snow plow is the most efficient and would be the most benefit to you. So if you have a long driveway, I would definitely recommend getting a snow plow. Now, why would you maybe want a snow pusher? Let's say you have an area that is not necessarily long, but it's maybe more open and square. If you're dealing with a more open area and you would like to do it with a plow, you have to start at one side, angle the plow, and then keep pushing the snow over. If you just try to plow straight, snow is going to come out both sides of the plow. You're just going to push, and you're going to consistently leave trails. So you're going to have to angle it, start at one side, and work your way over. With a snow pusher, keeping it contained, you can basically kind of start wherever you want, and you just drive, it keeps the snow contained, and you just push it and stack it up into nice big piles. And that's why you see these used a lot in large parking lots. And if you pay attention, like in big box stores, the contractors that have the contract to clear those parking lots usually leave equipment behind, whether it be a skid steer, a large tractor, or a large front end loader, and they'll have a snow pusher on the front because they're dealing with a big open area. It would take them forever to try to use a snow plow, plus they wouldn't be able to even contain it and get it where they wanted to around light posts and whatnot. So that's where that really comes in handy. Another advantage that you can have with a snow pusher, and this is depending upon the style you have, the brand, and how it's built, is you can have what is called a pullback option. So this is just a flat cutting edge, and this is just a fairly thick plate. It's not just sheet metal, but it's nothing like a cutting edge. And what that allows you to do is I can go up to a garage door, building, vehicle, whatever, roll forward, and then I can scrape the snow away, keeping it contained, go over, do it again, and then I can go around to the end, capture it, and move it all away. So by using this, I can very cleanly remove the snow from an open area. But once again, this is not going to be efficient for me when I'm dealing with long driveways that are not open. Several of the driveways that I plow, I'll actually use both of these pieces of equipment. I may put the plow on first and go hit it and plow the straight sections, the driveway sections first. Even my driveway here, plow that out, hit all the neighbors, just run everywhere and do the narrower sections with the plow. Come home, drop that off, grab the snow pusher, and go back and do all of my final cleanup. I can go up against the buildings, against the vehicles, drag everything away, and then gather it and clear off their bigger areas. And also I can use this to clean up where I may have left a trail into another parking area. If they got a circle driveway section, I can use that to clear all that out. Now I keep talking about how I believe a plow is better for, the narrower, longer driveways. And I'm still standing behind my statement on that, but that doesn't mean you can't use a snow pusher. If your snow is not very deep, or if your driveway is, maybe short, you can get away with the snow pusher. If we get snow that is not terribly deep, there's times where I may use only the pusher here at our house. Our driveway is not terribly long. I can grab the snow and make the push all the way across the road, dump the snow into the field across the road before the pusher ever gets full. Now I have other driveways that I know they're well over 1,200 feet long. Some of them might be closer to 1,800 feet long. There's no way I could handle those with a pusher, even in the lightest snow. It would fill up and I'd have to constantly be pulling off. And areas like that, I'm almost certainly always going to use the plow. But you can get away with the pusher as long as you understand what it's meant for, its limitations, and the fact that you may have to pull off and empty it. So I hope today's video is helpful and answers any questions that you may have as to the differences between a snow pusher and a snow plow. I would love it if you would drop me a comment down below and let me know which one of these you own for snow removal. If you enjoyed the video, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up. Let me know that you like it. That helps the channel grow and lets YouTube know that the video is helpful, and they'll show it to other people. Then subscribe and then hit the bell notification to be notified of upcoming videos. And as always, have a great rest of your day.